Topic R of Code, Google logo. Objective, learn to create your own Google logo. We are going to learn how to create a Google logo with the help of Scratch program. Now, what is a Google logo? When we click on a search, usually we find at times Google is appearing different ways. The look of the alphabets are very different. For example, the Earth Day. The Google logo appears like this. Now this is for the any special day, how they create a Google logo. So we are going to learn how to do it in a Scratch program. Now in a worksheet, I have given you this link. When you will click on the link, it will direct you to another page which will open the program for you. Now this is a video which will just help you to understand about the Google video. After watching this video, you will click on Start Project. Now in this video, after watching this video, as you scroll down, now these are small videos which will help you to do the changes for any of the alphabets. Now change a color or put a say command, how to switch costume, how to change the look and the appearance of that particular sprite, how to add a backdrop, how to edit or draw or add letters to it, how to jumble the letters. Now these all things you can click on it and have a look, and you can utilize these in your Google logo. Once it's done, click on the start. Now when you will click, already Google will come ready typed on it. It is just that you have to make the changes for each alphabets. It's taking a little time to load. Now see, as you see, the words are already appearing. We just have to change how we would like it to appear. I will just work with one alphabet so you get an idea how to go about with it. Now if you see the first letter G is appearing, you very well know we have already worked with the Scratch program that whichever sprite appears here means you are putting the program for that particular sprite. Now I'll click on costumes. When you click on costumes, here you get different styles of G appearing here. Now it depends how you want to create, it's entirely your wish. So let's take fruits. You can have a fruit week. So see how the banana is appearing. You can add on some more paint in this. Now see, I'll just take a red color. We can have as if the caterpillar is trying to put something. Okay, it's all on you how you want to do your creativity. Once it's done, you go back to code and your G will be appearing like this. You will go to events. As you very well know, when click is a must, otherwise when you will click on the green flag go, nothing will work for you. Now you can either use motion, looks, we have learned all this. So I can use a turn command, but along with that, even go to control and put a repeat command, at least repeat this program coding for 200 times so that when you click on the play, it goes for a little longer time. And then you can stop if you want in the middle somewhere. So this is the way you're going to work for the other alphabets also. Now I just created one simple so I can just show it to you. See, you can add on different colors You can put a dialogue. So it's all on you how you would like to present your Google logo. Once it's done, you're going to take a screenshot and you're going to post it for us to check.